Welcome to Best 5 Products. The best Tarnished Queen Nicole Fox is probably one of the most sought-after collectibles for fans of unique and artistic pieces, embodying a blend of regal elegance and a touch of intriguing decay that sets it apart in the world of displayable art. This particular rendition, Nicole Fox, captures a compelling narrative through its intricate design and thematic depth, making it a standout item for collectors who appreciate pieces that tell a story and evoke a strong aesthetic response. Its presence is not just decorative but also a conversation starter, hinting at a rich backstory and a world of imagination that draws viewers in. Number 5. Stardrops The Pink Stuff Cleaning Paste 500G. Introducing the Pink Stuff Cleaning Paste, your ultimate multi-purpose cleaning solution. It's designed to tackle tough messes with ease. Perfect for your kitchen and bathroom, it effortlessly removes grease and grime. Achieve a spotless shine on all surfaces. From tiles and glass to showers and ovens, this cleaner does it all. It's your go-to for a variety of household cleaning needs. Don't let tough stains win. This powerful paste is formulated to lift and remove even the most stubborn marks. Experience a brilliant shine on sinks and stainless steel with minimal effort. Cleaning has never been this simple or effective. What we like? This cleaner tackles tough messes with ease. It's perfect for everyday spills and deep cleaning tasks. If you're looking for a versatile cleaner that can handle grease, grime, and stains on various surfaces, this is the one for you. What people say. It has worked wonders in completely cleaning my bathroom tiles and grouts, transforming them from dull and stained to sparkling and pristine. The Pink Stuff's cleaning paste boasts an incredible cleaning action that easily removes stubborn stains and grime from bathroom tiles and grouts. I used the Pink Stuff to clean 3 all-white pairs of my road cycling cleats, plus another pair with neon accents, and the results were incredible. These shoes had years of built-up grime, road dirt, grease, and scuffs from long rides. But after using the Pink Stuff, they were literally brought back to life. Number 4. Revlon Volcanic Stone Face Roller. Tired of midday shine? This volcanic stone roller instantly absorbs excess oil, leaving your skin looking perfectly matte and shine-free. Keep your makeup looking fresh without any touch-ups. It effectively removes excess oil without disturbing your foundation or concealer. Achieve a flawless complexion anytime, anywhere. Use it on clean skin at home or easily mattify your face while you're out and about. Say goodbye to wasteful blotting papers. This reusable facial roller is made from real volcanic stone, offering a sustainable way to control shine. Its portable design makes it perfect for your purse. Simply rinse it after each use for a quick and convenient refresh. Need a fresh roller? Easily swap out the volcanic stone balls with our refill packs. You can reuse the handle, making it an economical choice. What we like? Achieve a shine-free complexion instantly. This tool is designed to mattify your skin without disturbing makeup. If you have oily skin and need a quick touch-up on the go, this is a must-have for maintaining a flawless look throughout the day. What people say. This roller instantly absorbs excess oil without disturbing makeup, leaving my skin matte and fresh. It's compact, portable, reusable, and washable, an eco-friendly and cost-effective solution for shine control. Works wonders in removing all the oil from my face. It can be used several times and simply needs to be washed with soap and running water when I feel like it no longer works. Number 3. Weiman Fine Jewelry Cleaner Liquid. Rediscover the lost shine and brilliance of your cherished gold, platinum, and gemstone jewelry. This gentle formula effectively removes everyday buildup, making your pieces look like new again. Cleaning your precious items is simple. Just place your jewelry in the tray, let it soak, and then rinse and buff. You can use the included brush for any stubborn spots. Over time, lotions and soaps can dull your jewelry's sparkle. Our cleaner penetrates those tiny details, restoring the dazzling brilliance you love in just minutes. This cleaner is specially formulated to be safe for your most precious gemstones, including diamonds, sapphires, rubies, and emeralds. It brings back their natural radiance without damage. Please note, this product is not intended for silver jewelry. For those items, we recommend our specialized silver cleaner. It's also not suitable for porous gems like pearls or opals. Our gentle formula is designed to clean without harsh chemicals. It effectively lifts away dirt and grime, ensuring your fine jewelry is treated with the care it deserves. What we like? Bring back the sparkle to your precious adornments. This cleaner is specifically formulated for gold, platinum, and diamonds. If you want to keep your fine jewelry looking like new and are looking for a safe yet effective way to remove dulling buildup, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It leaves them shiny, with no residue. It does not damage the surface. It is easy to use and gentle on my jewelry. This jewelry cleaner works great on diamonds, gold necklaces, and earrings, no soft stones like pearls, just hard metallic jewelry. It comes out sparkly and clean. The product is easy to use and the results are professional looking without having to go to a jeweler. I also love that it's a 2-in-1 clean and shine formula, so it saves time and works fast. Number 2. Vera Wang Princess Eau de Toilette for Women. Introducing Vera Wang Princess, a captivating eau de toilette designed for the modern woman. Experience a fragrance that embodies youthful charm and playful elegance. This delightful perfume opens with a burst of fruity notes, leading into a heart of delicate florals. It's a scent that whispers enchantment and leaves a lasting impression. Crafted for those who embrace their inner royalty, this fragrance is perfect for any occasion. Let its magical aura accompany you throughout your day. Enjoy this enchanting aroma with a generous 3.4 fluid ounce bottle. It's the perfect size to keep your signature scent close at hand. Looking for a thoughtful gift? Vera Wang Princess is a wonderful choice for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Share the magic of this exquisite perfume. What we like? Embrace a scent that is both enchanting and delightful. This fragrance is designed to make you feel confident and alluring. If you love sweet, fruity, and floral notes with a touch of whimsy, this perfume is perfect for adding a touch of magic to your day. What people say. The fragrance opens with fresh, inviting notes of water lily, apple, and mandarin, which create a light and uplifting start to my day. As it settles, I notice hints of apricot and a touch of dark chocolate, giving it a soft sweetness that's unique but not overly sugary. The base notes of vanilla, amber, and musk provide a warm, comforting finish that lingers gently on the skin. This perfume smells very good. If you are looking for something that smells nice and lasts a long time, I highly recommend it. The perfume bottle arrived perfectly without any damage. The design of the cap and color are girly and cute. The initial spritz is a delightful burst of lady apple and pink guava, which gives it a sparkling, youthful energy. It settles down into a beautiful, warm vanilla base that is subtly comforting. Crucially, the vanilla isn't overpowering. It just adds a gorgeous medium longevity warmth that lingers beautifully throughout the day. Number 1. Flitz Faucet Wax Plus. Discover the ultimate solution for maintaining your faucets. This advanced formula is designed to tackle everyday blemishes with ease. Achieve a streak-free shine on various metal finishes like bronze, nickel, chrome, and brass. It effectively removes water stains and fingerprints, leaving surfaces looking pristine. Beyond faucets, this versatile polish also works wonders on granite countertops. Keep all your surfaces looking their best with one powerful product. Formulated with a water-based solution, it's safe and effective for your home. Proudly made in the USA, ensuring quality and reliability. Experience the difference that a premium cleaner and polisher can make. It's the perfect addition to your home maintenance toolkit. What we like? Keep your faucets and metal fixtures looking pristine. This product effectively removes water spots and fingerprints, leaving a protective shine. If you want to maintain the luster of your chrome, nickel, or brass fixtures and are looking for a simple way to combat water stains, this is the ideal solution. What people say. Remove the water spots between burners in 9 seconds. Appliance looks new. This is a good product for maintenance of unlacquered, also known as natural, raw, or uncoated, polished brass. It's got just enough polish to remove very light tarnish and shine the brass up. And then it leaves a slight wax coating to protect the brass for the next 5 or 10 days. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.